On behalf of Rasa International School, a very good morning to all my dear students. Today, I am going to teach you English Grammar Chapter number 1, Vowels and Consonants. Chapter number 1 is Vowel and Consonant. As you can see in this page, total A to Z in English alphabets, we have 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these English letters are 26. English alphabets में A to Z में पूरे में 26 लेटर होते हैं. 26 लेटर होते हैं. Similarly, you can see in this chart too. Total A to Z English alphabets, we have 26 English letter. If you want, you can count also A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are English letters. Fine. Total हमारे 26 English letters होते हैं alphabet में. And we have 5 vowels. 5 क्या होते हैं? Vowels होते हैं. You can see in this chart I have highlighted green with green marker. जो letters को मैंने green marker से highlight किया है वो हमारे vowels है. You can see here A, E, I, O and U. These 5 letters are vowels. Rest letters are consonants. बाकी के जो बचे हुए हैं letter वो consonants हैं. ठीक है. You can see B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. ये सारे जो हैं letters ये हमारे consonants हैं and total we have 21 consonants. Total हमारे 21 consonants होते हैं. As I told you 26 total letters होते हैं. उनमें से 5 vowels हैं तो बाकी के रेस्ट कितने बचे? 21. वो हमारे कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं. ओके. Similarly in this chart you can see we have 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. ये 5 हमारे क्या हैं? Vowels हैं. ओके. You can see we use an with vowel sound. हम जो an होता है an वो हम वॉवल साउंड के साथ लगाते हैं. जब हमें वॉवल्स की आवाज़ आती है फर्स्ट लेटर हमारा वॉवल होता है हम उस साउंड के साथ एन लगाते हैं. कॉन्सोनेंट्स जो होते हैं उनके साथ हम अ लगाते हैं. फाइन. हियर वी कैन सी द एग्जांपल नाउ. एन एप्पल. यू कैन सी एप्पल का जो ए है फर्स्ट लेटर जो है वो वॉवल साउंड है क्योंकि ए ई आई ओ यू वॉवल्स हैं. सो एप्पल जो है वो वॉवल साउंड है. वी हैव रिटन एन हेयर. इंक पॉट आई भी हमारा वॉवल है सो वी हैव रिटन एन इंक पॉट. हेयर एग ई हमारा वॉवल है सो वॉवल साउंड की आवाज़ आ रही है. सो एग अगेन वी हैव रिटन एन एग. हेयर यू कैन सी लीफ. अ लीफ. एल जो है एल इज़ नॉट अ वॉवल. एल वॉवल नहीं है ये कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है. सो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के साथ हम अ यूज़ करते हैं. काइट के इज़ ऑल्सो अ कॉन्सोनेंट वी यूज़ अ काइट. बॉल बी इज़ ऑल्सो अ कॉन्सोनेंट सो अ बॉल. वी यूज़ एन विद द वॉवल साउंड. एन हम वॉवल साउंड के साथ यूज़ करते हैं एंड अ विद द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. और अ जो होता है वो हम कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. We will do one exercise here. You can see. Look at these picture. Choose a word from the box and write it under its picture. आपको इस पिक्चर के नीचे word लिखना है और आपको choose ये बॉक्स में से करना है. You can see here is a box, right? So you can see first picture here. What is this? Yes, this is elephant. You can see the name here. Elephant spelling you can see from here. Write down. You have to write here. Yes, this is an elephant. So we will write here elephant. Next you can see, what is this? Yes, this is an umbrella. So we will write here UMBRELLA, umbrella. Fine. Next you can see, what is this? Which picture is this? This is owl. Yes, we will write OWL. This is an owl. Next you can see here the picture. Which picture is this? This is, yes, correct. This is igloo. IGLOO, igloo. Next picture, what is this? Yes, this is an ant. ANT, ant. Fine. Next you can see, as I told you earlier, this all letters, elephant, here umbrella, igloo, owl and ant, this all begins from vowel sound A-E-I-O-U. So these all are vowels, words, vowel letters. Fine. As you can see, the letters A-E-I-O-U are called vowels. As I told you earlier, मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, A-E-I-O-U जो होते हैं वो vowels होते हैं. The remaining letters, बाकी के जो बचे हुए letters होते हैं उनको हम consonants बोलते हैं. Okay. We will do one more exercise here. Read these words. Write yes where the correct number of consonant has been listed. Write no for the incorrect ones. सही yes लिखना है हमें अगर consonants के numbers ठीक हैं तो. no लिखना है अगर consonants number of consonants ठीक नहीं है तो no लिखना है. Then write the correct number and list the consonants. correct number लिखना है और consonants भी लिखने हैं. 2 have been done for you. 2 हमारे लिए किए हुए हैं. Okay. First we can see here. First one is kitchen. Kitchen में 5 consonants हैं. We can see now. Kitchen में I vowel है, right? E vowel है. So how many left? K, T, C, H, N. So 5 consonant है. Yes. So the answer is yes. They are K, T, C, H, N. Okay. Second is uniform. Uniform में 6 consonants है. We will see. U is a vowel, I is a vowel, O is a vowel. So कितने बचे? N, F, R, M. 4 बचे. So here 6 consonants दिए हुए नहीं. This is wrong. So we will write no. There are 4 consonants. They are N, F, R, M. Okay. Now 3rd to 10th we will do now. Okay. Third one is Africa. Africa 4 consonants. Africa में 4 consonants है. We will see. A is a vowel. Here I is a vowel. A भी vowel है, I vowel है, A vowel है. तो कितने बचे? F, R, C. No. 3 consonants हुए. So we will write here no. This is wrong. So we will write no. There are 3 consonants. They are F, R, C. Okay. Next you can see here 4th one is pineapple. You can see pineapple 5 consonants होते हैं. We will see. I is a vowel here. You can see in this I is a vowel. E, A, E is a vowel. So how many letters left now? P. We will write here first. Okay. P. I is a vowel. N. E is a vowel. A is a vowel. double P. So we will write 2 times P and L. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is correct. This statement is correct. We have 5 consonants. So we will write yes, they are P and PPL. Okay. Fifth one is Jupiter. 4 consonants. We will write here the consonant first. J is a consonant. We will write J. Yes. U is a vowel. U नहीं लिखना हमें. P consonant होता है. I नहीं लिखना. I is a vowel. T and R. So here 4 consonants. Yes. Yes, they are J, P, T, R. Okay. Next, 6th one is crocodile. 5 consonants. We will see now. C is a consonant. We will write here C. R. O is a vowel. Again C. O is a vowel again. D is a consonant. I is a vowel. L. E is a consonant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see 5 consonants. 5 consonant. Yes, they are C, R, C, D, L. Okay. Next one you can see. 7th is yearly. Yearly you can see Y is a consonant. We will write here Y. Okay. E is a vowel. A is a vowel. R, L, Y. 4 consonant. Yes, they are Y, R, L, Y. Okay. Now 8th is hospital. You can see here hospital. H is a consonant. Yes. O is a vowel. S is a consonant. P is a consonant. I is a vowel. T is a consonant. A is a vowel. L is a consonant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here written 6 consonants. No. This statement is wrong. So no. There are 5 consonants. They are H, S, P, T, L. Okay. 9th one is penguin. You can see here 6 consonants. We will see P is a consonant, E is a vowel, N is a consonant, G is a consonant, U is a vowel, I is a vowel and N is a consonant. Here the statement is 6 consonants. No. As I told you, there are 4 consonants only, P and G, N. So, no, there are 4 consonants, P and G, N. Last 10th one is dolphin, 5 consonants. We will see now. D is a consonant. D is a consonant. O is a vowel. L is a consonant. P is a consonant. H is a consonant. I is a vowel. N is a consonant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 consonant. Yes, they are D, L, P, H, N. So in this sentence, in the last statement, 5 consonants are there. Yes. I hope you understood. Please do practice at home and do the exercise in your book. Fine. Thank you. Thank you.